Hello students, welcome to lecture number 2 of module tariff. In this class, I will be discussing the desirable characteristics of a tariff, and before that, let's discuss the objective of a tariff. Like this is the continuation of the last lecture series. Here, what are the objectives of a good tariff? The first objective of a good tariff is recovery of the cost of producing electrical energy at the power system. At the introduction section, I have told you that the cost or the capital cost that has been investment in the power system that need to be recovered. So this is the first objective of the tariff. The second objective of is recovery of the operational cost and maintenance cost, or in other way I can say recovery of the running cost, right? And the third objective of a tariff is a suitable profit on the capital investment. This profit will be utilized for future expansion. Next topic is characteristics of tariff. What are the characteristics of a tariff? The first characteristics is proper return. It is self-explanatory. Means whatever investment has been done, that amount needs to be returned. Otherwise, there is no point in establishing the whole power system. Second is fairness. Fairness means whatever cost the supply system is implementing on the consumers, that has to be fair enough. That means if same type of rate is applicable to all type of customer, that is not desirable. Rather, different customers or consumers should be charged at different rate. For example, for the domestic consumer, the rate should be a certain amount per unit charge. For the industrial consumers, the rate should be different. Why this different in rates should be there, that I will be explaining in the subsequent classes. Third is simplicity. Simplicity means whatever tariff or whatever calculation of the tariff has been implemented, that calculation should be clearly explainable to all types of consumers. Fourth one, again, profit. Without profit, if we do not have the profit, there is no point in establishing the power plant or the power system. Also, you cannot expand in future. Means you need to expand as the load demand increases, so you need to expand yourself, whether it is generation, transmission, or distribution. In all the three, you have to expand. So for that, profit has to be there. And the final one is attractive. The tariff should be set such that it should be very much attractive to the consumers. So these are the characteristics of a good tariff. So next topic of discussion is types of tariff.